Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the goal, what players do and why they stay. Once done, write a concise design brief, mechanics, win/lose states, and platform constraints. Gather or generate key assets with AI, create sprites, backgrounds, and sound stingers using image and audio models. Also pick a no-code engine that supports AI plugins. Download these tools, organize folders, and prepare a simple flowchart so you and the AI always reference the same plan. Now implement the core loop in the no-code engine. Wire movement, collisions, and scoring using visual nodes. Use AI to generate enemy patterns, procedural levels, and branching dialogue. Prompt for parameters like difficulty curves or hitbox sizes. Once implemented, run short playtests and record precise failure data so prompts can tune behavior. Make sure to version assets in scene states and loop. Adjust prompts, regenerate assets, swap nodes, and retest until the loop feels tight and predictable. Finish by polishing visuals, audio mixing, HUD layout, and onboarding. Use AI to produce a short tutorial script and fine-tune UI copy, then optimize asset sizes for target devices and export a test build. Play the build on real hardware, check performance metrics, and fix input or scaling issues. If something breaks, isolate the module, load the previous working build, and reapply incremental changes. Make sure to log prompts and versions so you can reproduce any successful AI-generated outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.